All right, I now navigated to creating a new theory page. As you can see, I have just one text editor here, which is my canvas to write on. And I can just start typing. I can use math mode the same way as I do in exercises. And I can also create the cards or use images. If I want to create a card, I can select the text, go to Format, and say I want to have a theory block definition. If I save that, oh, it ate up my spacing. I can preview it, and this is the way it comes out. I can also insert an image. If I go to the General tab, I can add a file here, maybe this histogram. If I just upload it, I can now go back to my theory page, and I can go to Insert Image and pick this one from the source list. I can add some extra dimensions to it if I want, but if I just insert it, it will show it as is. And I can even draw the corners to make it larger or smaller if I need to. If it's too small, but you do need the space, you can actually go back to the image view, give it a zoom class, and that way the students can hover over it. They will see a magnify glass. If they click that, it will zoom in. I can also undo. So if I undo this, I get the preview of the image back normally. I can also embed things here, like YouTube videos or other things from the internet, like GeoGebra applets. GeoGebra applets can be done by going to Insert GeoGebra, and then here you can put in the material ID, and embed codes from YouTube, for instance, can just be pasted into the source. So you can just paste the code here under. And this source code editor can always be used if you need to go to the source of the theory page itself. Other than that, there's default functionality for alignment, bulleted lists, bold and italic content. You can cross-link to other theory pages or other places on the internet. And you can also add tables very easily by using the table column chooser, column and rows chooser. There's also a possibility to embed iframes or to use our default two-column split for definitions, where you can choose between the ratios 60-40, 55-45 or 50-50 to place two pieces of content next to each other on the screen. Next to the definition, it's also possible to make something an expandable box. It's quite easy. You just go to Theory, Format again, and then to Theory Expandable block, and then you choose More, Proof, Advanced, or Explanation. So let's choose More. Now this second text, the more, is conditional. Only when the student clicks on more, you will get to see the definition. It's also possible to change that text. Instead of where it says more, you can also say maybe image. You can just select that text and mark it as a block header. If you do that, image will get replaced into the more title. And then the name of the expandable block will now be image.